Allegedly, it is said that the VC of Unical has asked over 300 dental students to go home and learn a trade or find another institution to start their life again. There's a way someone will talk. You have to, where is this person coming from? That kind of thing. What did this person know? Why would this person say something like this? So I had to go check what she studied, and I'm saying this. She studied education and some other courses you are seeing there. That's the reason why she would say something like that. Do you know what medical school is? Medical school is like prison. Ah, those people devote their life. About 98% of them devote their life 5 6 years or more than, depending on if they strike or not, studying this course. Do you know 1 year is enough to change someone's life? But these people will give 5 6 years and more to it. And at the end of the day, this is what they will be hearing. Because obviously, one fact that is there is that institutions usually take in above the quota beyond the business level, because they believe that going up, some persons will drop, which is normal. Do you understand? And it's also like more money for them. Mm-hmm. But I think the reason why they took, they say quota is 10. The reason why they took that 300 and above is maybe they felt like before these people will graduate, they would have worked on it so that the quota will be increased for them. That kind of thing. But see where they are now. So please, please, I beg the relevant authorities that should oversee such things, the Minister of Education, the President himself, please look into this matter. It is very, very. If I tell you what some of those people we tend to do, uh, if you don't know the kind of devotion these people have devoted into this thing to get to the level, to that level, the kind of devotion in it, and then you come with this kind of disappointment. It's not like they failed the course, so they did not fail anything. They passed the exams all this while. It's just an institutional failure, and then you want to send them home just like that. No, nah. It is very, very improper, very, very wrong. I don't really know what happened that people were not able to work on getting people quota more increased. That is like, I think that one will come through full accreditation. Yes, that kind of thing. Maybe people have not been able to achieve that. It's something people should work on before they actually graduate. Instead of putting them in this state, this will lead to many things. To lead to many things. Very, very wrong. I'm saying this because I used to be a medical student, or for now I'm having a medical crisis. The MB exam I wrote, I didn't pass it. So you get, so I know what medical school is like. So please, I beg, this should not be heard or not be said about these people. No, the devotion is too much to be thrown away like that. Mm-mm. Don't dash their hope away. There's a cry. There's a cry that doctors, there are lack of doctors in Nigeria. How do you expect them to believe in this system when the system, the effort they are putting into it, the system is not favoring it? That's why all of them are looking for a way to leave the country. The effort they are putting into it is not equal to what the system appreciates. It's almost like a barracks. Yes, now medical school is almost like a barracks. Few months ago, there were some of my colleagues that were asked to step down for attendance sake. Attendance that were told once about it, and after that time, based on what pioneer said, they didn't say much serious things about it. or because they wanted to set a standard or use those people as scapegoats so that other sets will learn, they had to find people that will fall short of it. And what were the standard they use to get people that will write the exams and those that will not write it based on attendance? To date, we don't know. We don't know, because some people have been signing that attendance from 200 level till we wrote that MB. Some people have, but do they have records of it? Do the lecturers have record of those attendance? Where did they get the one they use? So you see that they have turned medical school into a barracks. The provost, the VC, and whosoever is authority there just do whatever they want to do. Those that survive or those that are favoured, they continue with them, and it's not proper. You're making them not to believe in the system. You're making the young ones not to believe in the system, and tomorrow they will be cry that medical schools are not medical doctors. People are short of medical doctors. These are the causes. Beyond that, even the pay of doctors too, the work they put in is not well appreciated. There are many things that we should work on if Nigeria should move. There are many things that we should look in if Nigeria will move. There are many things. Yeah. So please, for these Unical people, the relevant authorities, Minister of Education, the President himself, please, I beg you, come into this. And for the VC, uh, I don't believe that your ambition is just to be at that, like, your highest ambition is that VC level. Yeah, you could go beyond that. Yeah. There are VCs that have attained or have gotten political positions that are bigger than that office you have collected, which you can also get later on. So this time around that you are VC, use it well or utilize it well as much as you can. Let it not be said that during your time something like this happened. Is not uh, you have attained the climax. That's not the climax. You still have other heights to attain. So you have been able to do well for yourself, but please, let some things not be said during your own time. Let some things not be said during your own time. You see that thing a good name, nothing is bigger than it. Nothing is bigger than it. Let some things not be said during your own time. Even the provost sef, I don't really know who is the provost, but my attention is on the VC, because when you put pressure to the provost too will also put pressure. So whosoever needs to put efforts in all this should do abeg. Very very important. Thank you and God bless you.